And welcome back to Jackobian. Today we're going to be talking about a very important step, how to purchase materials. Now, in case you're wondering why I'm on this particular screen, this is because materials can only be bought on Jackobian's website, not on the app. However, you can read your purchased books on the app. So we're going to start by clicking on Chrome and then just type in. I already have Jacobian tab open, but let's just Google Jacobian. Jacobian comes up, jacobian.app. So now that we're here, we will just log in. Previously created an account before, so we're just logging in. It is essentially the same thing, just that you have it on the web. Password to and so click login. My network is not so great. So we're in. So once you log in, the first thing you see are the different materials. So you can see home, features, materials, contact us, become an author, view your profile, and then log out. But today we're focused on just getting materials, right? So there's a particular material that we're going to buy for the purpose of this. You can buy anyone actually. You can click on this material. So you see that we have a message. All books bought on the website can only be read on the app. Download Jacobian to have access to your material. So once you buy a book here, you can now read it on the website. So get started with Jacobian. The book is 1,500. You click on it. This is the cover image, and so you can read the descriptions, you can see the tags. Tags on Jacobian helps you to find materials much more easily. You can see that, oh, okay, this is name of the author, AB Scholar, and then the book or the particular course material is tied to the University of Lagos. So you can preview the material or preview the book before you start reading it. So usually there are three types of previews. There is PDF, video, or audio. So for this particular material, there are no audio or video previews. What you have is a PDF preview. So once you are done, click on buy now, and this is the payment. This is the cost. Proceed to payment. It's currently processing. So it just takes you straight to Paystack's checkout. So you can choose to pay with card, transfer, Zap, USSD, pay with OPay. So I think I'm going to pay with transfer. I have to log into my bank app here. I mean, I don't think it will be nice for me to show you my bank app, but I'm typing in the account numbers now. 999 68 05 995. Type down Paystack checkout. So for this book, we are making a total. We are sending 1,614 naira, 22 kobo. I think I have 22 kobo. So once you're done sending the money, all you have to do is click I have sent the money. I didn't even have to click it. That's the good thing about Paystack. It's confirmed and payment is successful. So you can see now that it has the paid on it to show you that, oh, you have bought this book and you can access it on the app. Thank you for joining us. Till we meet again. Bye.